In today's Photoshop tutorial, we will learn how to create a chalk drawing effect. For the background, I have used a chalkboard blackboard image. We also need a photo of the subject, and a hand holding a piece of chalk. First, select the subject image. Go to Image, then Adjustments, and click on Invert. This will invert the colors of the image. We want the image in black and white. Go to Image, then Adjustments, and choose Desaturate. The image is now black and white. Next, go to Filter, then choose Filter Gallery. From here, select Photocopy. Adjust the settings as per your need. Now go to Image, then Adjustments, and click on Invert. The effect looks nice, but it feels a little blurry and bluish. So let's fix that. Go to the Adjustment Layer menu and select Color Lookup. From the options, choose Bleach Bypass. Now, make it a clipping mask, so the effect applies only to the subject image. Next, merge both layers together. Change the blending mode to lighter color, and that's it. Your chalk drawing effect is ready. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.